Ethena's synthetic stablecoin is flipping the script in DeFi. They just raised $100 million, and TradFi giants are piling in. Stablecoin regulation is heating up, and Ethena's positioned to dominate. But what's their secret weapon making investors go all in? Stick around to find out why Ethena could be the next big thing, and why now's the time to pay attention. Okay, let's start with the basics. What is Ethena? Ethena's a DeFi protocol that's solving one of crypto's toughest problems: stability. Traditional stablecoins like Tether and USDC, they're backed by dollars in bank accounts. Sounds safe, right? But they're tied to centralized systems, and let's be honest, regulators love poking around there. Ethena's different. Their stablecoin USDe is synthetic. It's backed by liquid crypto assets like Ethereum and Bitcoin. No banks, no middlemen, just pure DeFi. This makes USDe scalable, resilient, and censorship-resistant. Ethena's mission is clear: build a stable digital dollar that's truly decentralized. Imagine a world where anyone, anywhere, can use a stablecoin without worrying about centralized control. That's the vision. Now, let's talk about Ethena's secret weapon. First up, USDe, their synthetic dollar. USDe isn't just a stablecoin, it's a yield machine. Stake USDe and you earn rewards. It's like holding a dollar that pays you interest. That's huge for adoption, because who doesn't love passive income? But here's the real game changer: iUSDe. This is USDe, but built for TradFi, traditional finance institutions. Ethena says iUSDe could tap into the $190 trillion fixed income market. Let that sink in. That's orders of magnitude bigger than all of crypto combined. If they pull this off, the demand could be insane. This TradFi focus is a big deal. DeFi has been siloed from traditional markets for too long. Ethena's bridging that gap, and it's why investors are so bullish. Now, let's dive into the news fueling this hype. Ethena just raised $100 million to build out iUSDe. Who's backing them? Heavy hitters like Franklin Templeton and F Prime Capital. When TradFi giants throw money at a DeFi project, you know something's up. On the partnership front, USDe is now live on Compound Finance, one of the biggest DeFi lending platforms. This integration puts USDe in front of millions of users. More utility, more exposure, more growth. It's a no-brainer. And after the Bybit hack, Ethena didn't flinch. They confirmed USDe's solvency with minimal exposure to Bybit. Transparency, like that, builds trust. This team's proactive. They're not just building tech, they're building confidence. That's why the market's paying attention. Let's talk charts. ENA, Ethena's token, is showing some serious bullish signals. I see a bullish descending channel that tends to break upwards. That's a continuation signal, meaning ENA could be gearing up for a breakout soon. In addition, the RSI indicator on the daily chart is extremely oversold, which indicates a buy price with much lower risks. You'll notice that at other times, this indicator has shown us great buying areas ahead of big upswings. Fibonacci targets indicate to me that ENA could extrapolate $4 in this bull run. Whales are buying too. One whale recently bought $1 million worth of ENA. Big players don't move like that unless they see upside. Market sentiment on X is electric. People are hyped about Ethena's fundamentals and growth potential. Some are even saying it could challenge USDT. Sure, there's volatility, but ENA's bouncing back from support levels. It's holding strong, and that's a green flag. Now, let's keep it real. Crypto's risky, and Ethena's no exception. Volatility's part of the game. In January 2025, whales dumped $46 million worth of ENA. That spooked the market, and the price dipped. It happens. Regulation's another wild card. Stablecoins are under the microscope, and Ethena's SudoFi strategy, mixing centralized and decentralized finance, could face scrutiny. That SudoFi approach is innovative, but off-chain components could be a weak link. Analysts have flagged this as a risk. But here's the thing: Ethena's team has been upfront about challenges. Their Bybit response showed they're prepared. Risks? Yes, but they're manageable. So, Why are investors betting big on Ethena? It's simple. First, innovation. USD and iUSDe are next-gen stablecoins with yield. That's a game changer. Second, market position. USD is already the third largest USD-denominated crypto asset. Ethena's not just competing, they're leading. Third, TradFi integration. iUSDe could unlock billions from traditional markets. That's massive. Add in partnerships, institutional backing, and bullish sentiment, and you've got a recipe for explosive growth. Ethena's making waves, and the hype is real. Now, smash that like button, drop a comment if you think Ethena's the next big thing, and subscribe for more daily crypto breakdowns. And if you're new to DeFi, grab my ebook, Financial Freedom, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It's perfect for beginners, and your support keeps this channel running daily. Links in the first pinned comment. Check it out. Oh, don't miss my last video linked somewhere in your screen. It's packed with insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow in the next one.